AIIMS Delhi has fully air-conditioned lecture halls. Also, the lecture halls are supported with all high-tech facilities like speakers, mic, projector, etc. The students are taught by the help of PPTs as well as blackboard. All these facilities are rarely available in other medical colleges. The faculties focus more on visualization than just reading the textbooks. Similar to AIIMS Delhi, the AFMC cadets are also taught by the help of PPTs as well as blackboard. All lecture halls are fully air-conditioned. Along with projector, 1 or 2 LED TV screens are also installed in lecture halls. The lecture halls are facilitated with mic, speakers, CCTV cameras and other facilities. Top class faculties teach cadets. Some of them are scientists and others are high-ranked medical officers with a great experience in medical field. The faculties are always eager to clear your doubt, and this is one of the biggest advantage over any other medical college. Both AIIMS Delhi as well as AFMC Pune has fully air-conditioned dissection halls. The LED TV screens are also installed to facilitate better visualization. Both colleges have adequate number of cadavers for dissection. The students are divided in small groups among all dissection tables, and each table has a separate table teacher. This prevents overcrowding over a single cadaver and facilitates proper visualization to each and every student. AIIMS Delhi clinical exposure is the greatest factor which gives it first rank among all medical colleges in India. There is no doubt that AIIMS Delhi has greatest patient load among all hospitals in India. Being in the national capital and also being a civil government hospital, its facilities are open to all. AIIMS Delhi witnesses even those complicated medical cases which are rarely seen in any other government hospital. AFMC and its affiliated hospitals being under Indian Armed Forces is primarily for military personnel and their dependents. To have a higher patient load, the civilian patients are accepted as well. Even though it doesn't have that much patient load as AIIMS Delhi, but it has more than enough patients compared to other medical colleges or hospitals in India. AIIMS Delhi as well as AFMC Pune are one of those medical colleges in India which provides medical research facilities to their undergraduate medical students. Both AIIMS Delhi and AFMC Pune highly encourage their students to participate in undergraduate medical research. AIIMS Delhi Central Library is known by the name of Dr. B.B. Dixit Library. The library consists of 2 floors with a carpet area of 27,000 square feet and a sitting capacity of 350 persons. The library is open 24/7 except on national holidays. The whole library is Wi-Fi enabled. The library has a huge repository of more than 73,142 books, 78,727 bond journals, 8,503 theses, and access to more than 1,500 online journals. Also, at a distance of 750 meters from AIIMS Central Library, there is National Medical Library, which is the biggest medical library in India. Any qualified medical person, student or faculty can take its membership and utilize the services of this library. AFMC Pune has a library known as Ashok Chakra Library. It has 2 separate sections for undergraduates and postgraduates. It has fully air-conditioned reading halls. The library is open 24/7 except on national holidays. The whole library is Wi-Fi enabled. E-resources in library are 60 computers, 600 e-journals, 1200 CD-DVD medlines, 3000 e-books, etc. Resources in print are about 19,000 books, 114 journals, more than 22,000 bond journals, etc. as per year 2019. After completion of their 4.5 years of MBBS course, all Aiims students have to do 1 year compulsory internship. During their internship, they are divided into groups and posted in villages for a period of 3 months, where they are required to run public health care. The interns are given salary of about Rs 18,000 per month or more as per order of Government of India from time to time. Here is the table depicting the internship process in Aiims Delhi. AFMC provides highest paid internship among all medical colleges in India. During internship, the medical officers are granted lieutenant or equivalent rank. All commissioned medical officers have a good starting pay of about Rs 85,000 per month with subsidized accommodation. Click on the I button to know more about AFMC internship and salary of a medical officer. Being a civil government medical college, Aiims students can have a motored vehicle during their MBBS course. The only mode of conveyance for medical cadets during their entire MBBS course is bicycle, which is provided by AFMC. Cadets can also purchase their own bicycle. No AFMCite is allowed to have any motored vehicle or even electric scooter during their entire MBBS course. This rule was made few years back in view of increasing road traffic accident cases among this age group. Aiims Delhi has semester-wise duration of vacations for MBBS students. Here is the table depicting semester-wise duration of vacations. Also, there are holidays on all national holidays. All medical cadets are given 2 vacations per year, one in winter and other in summer. Irrespective of their semester, both vacations are for 2 or 3 weeks only. Along with this, there are non-training days on all national holidays. But the cadets can visit their home only during their vacation or by filing official leave application. Unlike Aiims Delhi students, all medical cadets are given 2 times railway warrant for 3rd AC railway coach for their vacation period. Also, they are provided with MCO facility to confirm their waiting railway ticket. Also, the cadets can use MCO officers waiting room facility during their railway journey. Aiims medical students do not get any allowance or stipend during their MBBS course. All medical cadets are given allowances or stipend during their MBBS course. Click on the I button to know more about allowances provided to medical cadets. Also, to enhance their academic performance, all cadets are given an Android tablet. Unlike Aiims Delhi MBBS students, all medical cadets will have to join Indian Armed Forces after completion of their 4.5 years of MBBS course. But if a cadet doesn't want to join Indian Armed Forces, then he or she is free to do so after giving the bond money signed at the time of admission in AFMC. Unlike Aiims Delhi students, all medical cadets are provided with CSD canteen facility for purchasing their daily needs at a very low price. there is no movie facility provided by AIIMS Delhi. So to watch movies, students will have to visit nearby movie theatre. Every Friday there is an evening movie show in Dhanvantri Auditorium. Latest Bollywood movies are played every week. But if you are fond of Hollywood movies, then you can watch them in a nearby movie theatre. AIIMS Delhi, being in national capital New Delhi, faces extremes of seasonal temperature. Also, there is no doubt that pollution level in Delhi is much higher than any other city in India. Pune has a very decent climatic condition. The summers are not much hot and winters are not much cold. Being surrounded by hills, Pune faces a lot of rainfalls in month of June, July, August and September. The warmest month is November with an average maximum temperature of 33 degrees Celsius. Also, the average pollution level in Pune has always been under satisfactory range. AFMC has been awarded A grading and a CGPA of 3.51 out of a maximum of 4, which is the highest ever awarded to any medical institution in India. Biochemistry Laboratory of the Department of Biochemistry AFMC is the first biochemistry laboratory of any government medical college or hospital or government sector in India to be NABL accredited. Thus, blood test reports generated by AFMC Biochemistry Lab has a global acceptance.